Subject and predicate. The subject of a sentence is noun or noun equivalent about which something is said. The predicate is all that we say about the subject. General order of a sentence: subject plus verb plus object plus rest of the sentence, that is predicate. Subject and predicate. Subject he. Predicate ate an apple in the garden. Predicate contains the verb, object and the rest of the sentence. Sometimes we may not be having the rest of the sentence. Sometimes we may not have the object. Sometimes we may not have the object as well as the rest of the sentence. Now, how to split a sentence into subject and predicate? He ate an apple in the garden. He is the subject. Ate an apple in the garden is the predicate. Ate is the verb and all apple is the object. In the garden is the rest of the sentence. Starting from the verb, everything will become the predicate here. Ate an apple in the garden is the predicate. Coming to the next sentence. The lion caught a deer yesterday. The lion is the subject. Caught a deer yesterday is the predicate. Edison invented the electric bulb years before. Edison is the subject. Invented the electric bulb years before is the predicate. I have a friend. I is the subject. Have a friend is the predicate. The child smiled. The child is the subject. Smiled is the predicate. Here we don't have the object and the rest of the sentence. My dad is the subject. Met his boss on the road is the predicate. Note 1. It is not necessary that the subject should come first. Example, sweet or the uses of adversity. The uses of adversity is the subject. Or sweet is the predicate. Here you can see our sweet is coming first in the sentence. The predicate is coming first and the subject is coming after the predicate. Sweet or the uses of adversity. Actually, when you speak a sentence, when the predicate is given in the beginning, you convert the sentence in your mind in the correct order of subject and predicate. Now, when you convert the sentence in the correct order as subject and predicate, you will get the sentences, the uses of adversity are sweet. So, the uses of adversity is the subject, or sweet is the predicate. Note 2. In imperative sentences, that is, the sentences which mean commands, the subject is omitted. Some sentences do not have the subject, they have only the predicate. In imperative sentences, the subject is omitted. For example, sit down. We don't have the subject here. We have only the predicate here. Sit down is the predicate. In imperative sentences, the subject is omitted.